So today, we will do some challenge. When the site loads, you will see a list of animals with different image, name, type, breed, and age. To do this, we need to use JavaScript arrays, loop, and object. To do this challenge, please open my GitHub account. I have shared the link in the description below. You can then click on code and click download zip to download them on your computer. Once downloaded, open them in your code editor. You will then see two folders over there, end and start. Use the end folder if you want to see the end result, and use the start folder if you want to do this challenge by yourself. If you open the start folder, you will see 3 files and 1 folder. Images folder contains the images that we will be using for this project. Then we got index.html, script.js and style.css. If you open index.html, you will see the HTML structure we need to follow later to show the card that contains all the information. Apart from that, you don't need to worry anything about index.html and style.css because everything is already done. So to check the preview in the browser, right-click, click Open with Live Server. It will then automatically open the browser tab for us. Open script.js, and these are the tasks we need to do. First, we need to create an array with objects inside it. Each object should have name, type, breed, age, and image property. Then we need to use a for loop to iterate over an array and show them in the main tag. Feel free to pause this video and try to do this challenge by yourself. So, how did it go? Were you able to do this challenge by yourself? If not, don't worry, you can follow along with me. First, I will create the pets array. Inside, I will add objects with property names like name, type, breed, age, and photo. So let me add name to Daisy, type to dog, breed as Australian Shepherd, age is 5, and photo. It is in my images folder, and we can use this photo. So I will use images / Australian-shepherd.jpg. Then I will paste another object with the same property names and values. Now let's use a for loop to iterate over an array. So at the bottom, let's create a variable HTML and assign them to an empty string. Then use a for loop. Add let I equals 0, I is less than pets.length I++. Inside the loop, add HTML plus equals and a backtick. Now we need to add HTML structure over here. So open index.html. We need to add 2 divs, one with class AutoCard and another one with the class card. Then we need to add the img tag, s2 tag, and 2 p tags. So open script.js, add opening and closing divs, add a class, outer card, then add another div with the class card. Inside this div, add img tag, s2 tag, and two p tags. To show the image, I need the src attribute, and here I can add $pit I dot photo. Let me also add the alt attribute, and I will add $pit I dot name. We are repeating pit I twice over here, and we will be repeating again for s2 and p tags. So instead, at the beginning of the for loop, I will create a variable pit and assign them to pit I. Now instead of using pit I each time, I can simply use pit. So it will be pit.photo and pit.name. Now to show the name of the pit in the s2 tag, I can use $pit.name. Likewise, to show the pit type, I can use $pit.type dash $pit.breed to show the breed. Finally, to show the age, I can use $pit.age. Now, we will use document.querySelector to select the main tag and show the information. So at the very bottom, let's use document.querySelector and select the main tag. Use .innerHTML property and assign them to the HTML variable. Once done, save the change, check the preview, and we can see the list over here. Great. This is the end of this final session. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you so much for choosing my YouTube channel to learn JavaScript object with challenge. I will see you again in my next video.